Alright, first step, remove the 8 screws from the back. You're going to be using a T30 bit for that. From here you'll be able to access the back. Grab it right here. Next thing, you've got 2 clips right here. Pop both of them out. I'll let you pull these right out. From here you have 8mm bolts on both of here. Pull both of those. You have a retaining clip right here on the inside. This retaining clip right here. Push that in. Just drops out the bottom. Next step is going to have to be to take off this retaining clip from the old lock. And from here, just push the lock out, off of here. Get your new piece, take off the retaining clip from here. Take your new lock, or the old lock, just drop it right into place. Click it down in. Slide it under. Click it in. Put your new, or your old 8mm bolts right under here. Reattach both of these cables, put the clips back on. Once you have these reattached, you need to push the lock down and then